In the meantime, that powerful blizzard moving out of the Northeast, leaving behind more than just a lot of snow in a big fat pile. Thousands of flight cancellations, stranding tens of thousands of passengers across the country.
Just hanging, hanging in the airport until 7:24 tomorrow morning.
So I'm leaving 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm excited. I can't wait to go home.
We spent a lovely night here in Fort Lauderdale, nice place, and another airlines was able to get us home with only one night.
Well, that's pretty good then, right? Rick Leventhal is live at LaGuardia Airport here in New York. You know, Long Island was hammered. You were out there, Rick, and the eastern shore of Massachusetts is a mess in some of those towns. But the airports are reopening, and what about all those stranded passengers now?
Signs of life here at LaGuardia, Bill. There are some planes at some gates here. There were 157 cancellations here at LaGuardia this morning. Only 628 at airports nationwide today, which is a huge improvement over the past couple of days. American has resumed limited service to the Northeast. Delta is running at about 80%. United canceled all flights through Boston and New England today, but has limited service at New York's three major airports. JetBlue also in the air today, but canceled 190 flights. Travelers we spoke with are a mix of confident and cautiously optimistic.
They have not contacted me for any kind of delays. I'm on time. I'm ahead of time. So hopefully I'll get out of here today. You know?
Pretty grateful?
I'm very grateful.
My flight was earlier today, was canceled. I put on a flight at 5 o'clock.
Fingers crossed?
Exactly.
I'm traveling to Miami, and I hope everything runs with the move.
You know there have been thousands of flights canceled the past couple of days.
Yes. I've been calling, and they told me that today was okay.
One of the big issues still today, Bill, is this bitter cold. It means the tedious de-icing of these planes, which will obviously cause even more delays today.
It certainly will. Hang in there with them. Thank you, Rick. Rick Leventhal is live at LaGuardia.
Will do.
Thank you.